So I switched to my Samsung QLED gaming monitor for the LG UltraFine Ergo 4K display, and I've been using it for the past 6 months now. The Samsung monitor was great, but I needed a productivity monitor with a sharper image and higher resolution for video editing. I went from a resolution of 1440p to a 4K display, and the quality difference is very noticeable. I'm not able to see a single pixel on this monitor, and the question is it still worth it in 2023? This monitor was announced in December 2019 and released in July 2020, so it's pretty much 3 years old now. And in tech years, that's pretty old. However, don't let that old age fool you, because it can still hold its own against newer monitors, especially for the price. The monitor I have is 32 inches with an aspect ratio of 16:9. The display resolution is 3840 by 2160 pixels. It is an IPS display with HDR10 and a refresh rate of 60 Hz, weighing in at 22.7 pounds. It has all the ports you'll want and need from a monitor. On the back, it has the power in port, headphone jack connector, 2 USB-A ports, 2 HDMI in ports, a display port in, and a USB-C connection. One of the main reasons I got this monitor is because of that USB-C connection. With one cable, my MacBook Pro transfers the image to the monitor, while the monitor charges my MacBook Pro at 60 watts, and I'm able to connect devices to the USB-A ports on the monitor, using it as a USB hub for my MacBook Pro. All of this multitasking with just one cable. And you may be asking yourself, are USB-C monitors worth it? In the long term, yes. USB-C is quickly becoming the primary USB connection that devices use because of its capabilities. But that's a subject for another time. The only thing I don't like about this monitor is the huge power brick, and the speaker quality is terrible. Other than that, it is a great monitor. The LG UltraFine display goes for $649.99 and sometimes for $499.99 when it's on sale. So if you want an awesome monitor for a great price, you might want to check this one out.